Alright, well it's been a while since I've done a video. Today I'm going to figure out why in the world my electrical socket decided to do that. Was it user error on the installation? Could have been. But we'll see. I'm going to say it was just an overloaded circuit because it's kind of melty. Maybe with the heat of the summertime, trying to run 2 ACs in here. Yeah, these are 20 amp breakers, I'm pretty sure. This is only a 15 amp plug, so see if I can find a 20. All right, I'm back. 20 amp outlets. I'm gonna get these installed. I did get 3 of them. I'm gonna do one for each of these plugs. That way they're just covered. I got them all exposed right now. I might as well just do them all at the same time. Okay, first one's in, second one is out. I don't see anything wrong with this one. No melting, no discoloring, no heat it looks like, but we're still gonna put a 20 amp in here onto that one. And then finally, the last one is right down there. It looks like I made a little bit of a mistake. This one is labeled C2. This one's labeled C2. This one is labeled C1. So we have C3 is the lights, these outlets. C2 is that outlet and that outlet. And C1 is that outlet and that outlet. Okay. So we'll replace those ones at a later date. I don't want to do them right now. And in case you didn't know, the C stands for circuit. Circuit 1, circuit 2, circuit 3.